The certificate is 16 credits, and the main focus there is stick welding, MIG welding, and as an elective a little bit of TIG welding. The 1-year diploma covers oxyacetylene welding and cutting, stick welding, different materials in various different positions. The 2-year is everything advanced, but they also do some robotic welding, some layout and fabrication, some pipe welding, some certification welds, and then a lot of metal finishing. Our advisory committee is made up of 14 different companies. They like to come to the college and talk to students. Everything from heavy equipment to doors, buildings, heavy structural. We've seen over 90% job placement in our area.
My instructor, he's always been there, super hands-on, ready to teach you every single day. It's really nice to just be able to come in, and if you have any questions, you can go to anybody.
Any of the instructors are more than willing to answer any of the questions that somebody might have. Getting registered, taking tours, financial aid, any of the paperwork, any of the questions that a potential student might have, we can answer them.
We draw like blueprints and stuff, and then we come out here and we spend the rest of the class time out here like fabricating and making those drawings. We have so much metal and it's all given to us by the school, so got an idea, you can just go grab some metal and build it. You can work at your own pace. It's not like you're rushed into finishing your assignments and stuff. You can get them done on your own time.
A really big shop with lots of opportunities and lots of different areas that you can learn here.